So in pink here, then this is the northwest area again. This is the DPB, and this is Victor. Some of these things you see out that are scattered by themselves, those are not in the resource. They are orphans. So our goal will be to bring those orphans into the model. Anyway, let's tip it up, and we'll look at those veins. So over here, basically, you can see what we call the Merton vein system is this heading to the north. This higher grade Bermuda vein in the middle, the Paymaster vein out here, and the Denver vein and the Victor vein. Okay, so that pink area represents a little over 5 million tons. Because we're a block diluted grade, obviously we don't want to have zero in the blocks, so that's why we model out to that 1 ounce area, so that when we do our estimation, it can fill the blocks that aren't high grade with some grade. And from that, that's where we get our 6.12 million tons. So between all of this pink and some of the yellow, that makes up the 6.12 million tons.
And all those areas in between, those have yet to be infilled, right? So that's the low-hanging fruit here. The 100 million now takes us into standalone territory, but from a development purpose, we've got some low-hanging fruit to establish a continuity better.
So this is the one area between Victor and DPB that needs to be infilled. And this is the area between DPB and Northwest that needs to be infilled. And then, as I said, it's still open going this way to the northwest.
And all of the concepts used in the resource, I mean, these are conventional underground. We're not using any exotic mining methods here, right? There's no resu mining.
No, this is based on a model of long hole stoping and cut and fill. And that is the average of those two methods.
So straightforward. That line driving, well, it's hard to see the line there, but you can sort of see it. That's US Highway 95, which connects Vegas to Reno. As Bill said, there's a Chevron, there's a Burger King right at the base of it in the Subway sandwich shop. But what that means is when you're looking at developing this, it's all got positive consequences in terms of capital costs. We don't have to build man camps. The tallest structure in Nevada up until 1940 was the Mizpah Hotel, which is just right outside the frame there. All of 6 stories, I believe. We don't have to move power lines. We don't, everything we need is there. And getting people to want to work there versus, Timbuktu is a pretty easy proposition.